Hey y'all, welcome to my new channel, Stoked on Smoked, where I will share with you my methods of smoking steaks and various other foods. I will not claim to be an expert. I have one summer under my belt, but I will grow and I will learn more. I do want to apologize in advance. I don't have my good gear with me and I am on a time constraint, so this video is not going to look as good as my future videos will. Now with that being said, let's get to it. Video number 1. Reverse seared ribeye. Let's go. Now I do like to leave my steaks out for about 30 minutes before cooking them to get them as close to room temperature as possible. And I do use the Silverton Traeger, which was a Costco special. And for the pellets, I'll be using the gourmet blend, which is maple, hickory, and cherry. One of the better pellets that I've found thus far. So I'm gonna set this thing to 225. Ignite it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it smoke for about 15 minutes with the lid open before I actually get it to 225 for the low and slow. Doing its initial smoke. Getting close. All right, so let's go ahead and close the lid. Let this bad boy get up to 225. All right, now that the Traeger's heating up, it's time to season the steak. What I like to do first is just put a little oil on it. I am gonna use coconut oil because it has a higher smoke point. Just spray it on there. I like to use a little bit of garlic salt. And then flip it over and do it again. And then after that, time for a little bit of good old Montreal. And now we wait. All right, Traeger's up to temp, so we're gonna put the probe into the thickest part of the steak. All right, we are ready to put these steaks on for the low and slow. All right, and we want to install the probe. We want to set an alarm. We want it set to internal temperature of 120 degrees. And for this video, I am going to be doing the whole cook on the Traeger. I'm not going to be doing the reverse sear in a frying pan or anything like that. This one, all Traeger. All right, guys, so we've hit that internal temp of 122. So we're going to go ahead and remove our steaks. Close her back up. And we are going to crank this thing up to 500. Bring the steaks inside. I'm right here, babes. It's okay. And I like to put them in the oven. It's not on, no heat. The Traeger's up to 500. We are ready to sear. I'm gonna sear each side for 4 minutes and then we are going to rest the steaks. Alright, so steak's all done cooking. Next thing you want to do, slap some butter on those bad boys. Tent it in foil. We're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes. Alright, steak has rested about 10 minutes. And that looks delicious. Let's take a look. This is very, very tender. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. Very much appreciated. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and like the video. I'll catch you next time.